how to know where to enter trades in the market. Honestly, if you're struggling with this, don't even worry because you're definitely not the only person. There can be beginners that are struggling with this to top level experienced people struggling with this. Even me, to this day, I still struggle sometimes from market conditions. Honestly, guys, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy video on where and how to enter trades. And you should always have a reason behind it. Never just enter the trade because the chart looks beautiful or some bullshit around it. You should always have a reason to enter the trade. So let's get right into the video and let me show you a quick example. So for example, say right here, we see that a buy side gets taken. Now you're like, oh my God, this is beautiful. Like I listen to Alexander's strategies. I know when buy side gets taken, the second it comes down, I should take a short right when it passes this line and continue our downtrend down. Hell no, bro. You do not do that. That is horrible. Reason is because we can come down, play it in this buy side, sweep it, and come back to continue our overall uptrend. So please, what you want to do is wait for it to come back down. You have the first part right. Second, it comes down. Wait for possibly a inversion fair value gap that can get placed on the re-entry down to the buy side, or look for possibly a change of a state. Change of state would be very nice with a retest possibly to a fair value gap. Now, if you don't understand what I'm trying to say right now, I'm going to show you a quick example in the chart. So give me 1 second. So for example, this is exactly what I'm trying to tell you. Right here, we have a buy side liquidity. So now we're coming up. We're coming up. Oh my God, we tapped in. Let's take the sell position because we're going to come back down because we just tapped into buy side liquidity. We stopped out everybody. We're going to come down. We're going to come down. Okay, there we go. We have our candle close. We're in the money. We're going to make money. No, bro, you are not going to make money. Why would you take the sell position? There is literally no conviction to tell you to take the sell position. There is not one thing in this chart that's making you take this sell other than these two little candle closes. But even with these two candle closes, what's the reason? There's no inversion gap, there's no change of a state, there's no fair value gap. There is literally nothing. This is why you have to have entry models. You have to have a reason to enter a trade, not just base it on one simple thing. Just because buy side gets taken doesn't mean it's an entry. You have to wait and pair it with inversion gaps, fair value gaps, change of estates, SMTs. Should always have multiple things in your strategy to give yourself the confidence to enter the trade properly. This is a beautiful example. Right here, we can see that there is a sell side that gets taken. So now you're like, okay, sell side got swept. I'm gonna take my entry right now. No, you should not do that. You should never do that. You want to have conviction. Right here, we have a little inversion fair value gap. Now you would say, okay, this just got swept. Now I would like to take my entry. Now you can take an entry. Stop loss goes right below the previous lows because that is a protected low, especially if you possibly have a SMT. SMTs are beautiful protected lows. Now you would be able to take your trade and go in the intended direction to make your money. So to show a second example, say we see this buy side liquidity get swept right up here. Now you're gonna say, oh my God, I have to take an entry right now. No, again, wait for conviction. Wait for a reasoning to enter this trade. So right here, inversion fair value gap. Let's see if we get taken. We break right through it. Now you can take your sell position and now you can ride it all the way down. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you stayed to the end. Let me know in the comments if you did. Give me a like, subscribe, and I hope you have an amazing day.